Typically how it goes, if a customer is interested in what we have to say, we meet with them. We do what's called a concept meeting, tell them a little bit about who we are, what we do, and then we survey the equipment, see if it qualifies, see if we can cover it. If we move forward, we do what's called a financial analysis. So we go over what they've spent, what we think they're going to spend, we go over the value of their equipment, and we just talk about what their owning and operating costs truly are. And then we match that against our fixed cost agreement. And typically, our number is at or lower than what their owning and operating costs are. So our fixed cost agreement is what sets us apart. In the 80s, Star rolled out a fixed cost agreement. It's unlike anything else out there. We do your preventative maintenance, we do filter changes, we cover parts, labor, repairs, and even equipment replacement, and it's all a fixed cost amount. So they are fully covered. When they get into an agreement with Star Service, they never have to think about their air conditioning ever again. They only need to know 3830306. That's the number to our dispatcher, and we'll get somebody out. Our typical customers for these types of contracts are schools, owner-occupied office buildings, churches, industrial facilities. Our customers love our technicians. They all kind of have their technicians that work on their jobs, and so today I was talking with a customer and he said, hey, I said, man, how things going? Hadn't heard from him in a while. I guess that's good news. He said, yeah, man, we love Star. We love Chris Mouillet. He's our technician. We know when we call, Chris is coming out. He's going to take care of it. And they don't think another thing about it. And that's a big deal when, again, like I've said before, when you call, you know it's going to get done. You don't have to think about it again.